Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to do some finger painting and thumb painting. Okay, so for that watercolors or poster colors which are good for your skin. Okay, water brush. So either what you can do, take a palette, take out some color in a palette, dip your thumb in that, and then you can give some impressions. Or what you can do is, second option is apply some color on your thumb. Okay, and then you can give some impressions. Okay, different colors. Okay, and it's not necessary to do it in a particular form. You can do it anywhere. Okay, wherever you like. It's quite light, so I'll use a little more color. Now I'll change the color. You can change the color, okay, whenever you feel like. If you don't want to do it that very particular color, you can change the color. Green here. Now I'll take some yellow and this green only. Light green. I'll give some with red. Four to 5 or 6. It's up to you how many you want to do. Okay. And just keep on applying wherever you want, wherever you feel like. And then we have to wait for some time so that our impressions get completely dried, and then we are going to doodle on these impressions, and we're going to create nice characters out of these. Okay, so we're going to add some features, like we're going to add face, we're going to add dresses, we're going to add legs, okay, eyes, mouth, nose, whatever you want to add, you can add in your thumb impressions. Okay, you can even use your fingers for impression. Okay, if you want to use finger, you can use finger also. So we'll wait for some time so that these impressions get completely dried. Okay, so we'll wait for some time. Okay, so some impressions are completely dried, so let's work on them. Okay, so what you're going to do is, once they're completely dry, just touch and feel them. If they are still wet, then wait for some time. Okay, with your sketch pen directly, no use of pencil here. You're going to add characters, okay, in your thumb impressions. So how you're going to add characters? So you can add some eye. Okay, you can add eye, you can add nose, you can add mouth. Okay, whatever you want to add, you can add. Okay, however you want your thumb impression to feel. Some here. Okay, hands, legs. If you want to make some cartoon character out of these impressions, you can even make any cartoon character out of these impressions. Okay, so let's make this one, little weird one, little scary one, because as you can see there's an oval here, so we'll try to replicate that oval. Okay, and I don't know what this is looking like, but still we're going to make it. Little scary. Okay, so 2 are done. Let's make more. So this is still wet, this is dry. Okay, so try to capture your creativity, try to imagine how this might look if this person is having if this person is having hair which are like this, how will it look? Okay, if this person is having ear, how will it look? If this is holding something, or this is standing like this. Okay, wearing nice shoes with bows and all. How will it look? Okay, you can add hands also here. Just add hand. Okay, just try to just keep on making. If you want someone to wear cap, you can make this person wear cap, or if you want this person to wear hat, you can make this person wear hat also. This one is smiling because it's wearing a cap here. Okay, now let's make this one little. And I don't know what kind of hair these are. You can make this there's so many things which you can make in these. Okay, so it's kind of a doodling. If you want someone to be a girl, then you can add long hair. Okay, you can add long hair and some flicks also. Okay, so this is still wet, that's why the sketch pen is not working. Okay, so you have to wait for some time to get it completely dried, then only your sketch pen or your pen will work. Okay, so suppose this one, it's standing like this. Okay, hands are like this and looking at someone. Or let's make this a birthday boy wearing a birthday cap here. So like this you can give some themes to your work. Okay, but before that, before doodling, before giving them life, okay, just wait for some time. Just see that your thumb impressions are completely dried. Okay, then only your sketch pen will work. Okay, if you can see here and here, my sketch pen is not working because they're still wet, little wet. Okay, I hope to see your creativity. Okay, just draw whatever you want to draw, whatever comes into your mind first after looking at this thumb impression, whatever you have created here. Okay, so we'll be waiting for your artworks. Hope to see your artwork super soon. Thank you so much. Enjoy this thumb impression, enjoy this painting, and thank you.